Are you investing your hard-earned money into Google Ads and not getting the results you'd hoped for? Stick around, because in this video you're going to learn why your website might just be the problem.
Tricks of the trade. This is when the thing comes in.
Hi, I'm Brandon, owner and designer at Tradies.ca, a service for contractors looking to grow their business, get more leads, and make more money. You know, there's a few reasons why your Google ad might not be converting, but in this video we're going to touch base on why your website might just be the problem. Many trades turn to Google Ads to drive more traffic to their website with the belief that having more visitors on your website will bring you more jobs. They'll watch a few videos on how to create an ad, sign up for an account, and follow the steps laid out in their video. It all seems pretty easy, so why invest in having a professional do it? You see, it's easy to create your own Google ad, and there are a ton of do-it-yourself videos. But the problem is that it takes more than just an ad to get visitors to turn into customers. The truth is, just like building a house, you need to have a plan. You need to do your research to make sure you're using the right keywords, text, and strategy to create high-converting Google ads. And it doesn't stop at the ad. Once someone has clicked on it, they should be directed to what's known as a landing page. Most trades will create an ad and link it to their homepage, which is probably one of the worst things you can do. It's almost like lighting your wallet on fire. So what is a landing page? It's a page created specifically for the content in your ad. For example, if you're a contractor and you've created a Google ad for foundation repair, would you want someone that clicks on it to see all of the other services you offer? Your visitor clicked on your ad because they're looking to repair a foundation. The page they should land on should only talk about your foundation repair services. You can tell them about your other services in person after you land the job. And there's a lot more to Google Ads, but we'll save the rest for another video. So, if you're running Google Ads and not sure what steps you should be taking, leave us a comment. We'll be happy to chat. Visit Tradies.ca today to learn more about our services created just for trades. And if you're watching this on YouTube, there might be a video on either side of my head here. So go ahead, check one out for more great tips. Let us know in the comments below if you've had success with Google Ads, or if you have any questions that you'd like us to answer on the next video. Like and follow us on Facebook and Instagram, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll see you in the next one.